Ace your panel discussions, preparation and research. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English listening and speaking skills. Today, we'll be focusing on an important part of panel discussions: preparation and research. Effective preparation and research can significantly enhance your confidence and contributions in a panel discussion. So, let's get started. Before you can prepare for a panel discussion, you must first understand the topic thoroughly. This means not only knowing what the topic is about but also understanding its context and why it's relevant. Ask yourself questions like, what are the key points of the topic? Why is this topic important? Who are the stakeholders in this discussion? Once you have a solid understanding of the topic, the next step is researching the topic. This is where you'll gather information, perspectives, and arguments related to the topic. Your research should include facts and statistics. These can help you make stronger points. Different viewpoints. Understanding differing opinions can make your arguments more balanced. Expert opinions. These can add credibility to your arguments. Remember, the more thorough your research, the more prepared you'll be for the discussion. After your research, the next step is organizing your points. This can be a daunting task, especially if you've done extensive research. However, it's crucial for conveying your arguments effectively. Here are a few tips. Rank your points. Decide on the order of importance or relevance of your points. Develop a logical sequence. Make sure your points flow logically from one to another. Prepare for counter-arguments. Anticipate possible objections and prepare your responses. Now that you have your points organized, it's time to practice. Practicing will help you deliver your points more fluently during the actual discussion. It's also a great way to identify areas that might need more work. You could practice by speaking aloud. This can help you identify and correct any awkward phrasing. Role-playing. Pretend to be in the panel discussion and practice delivering your points. Asking for feedback. Practice in front of others and ask them for their input. And that brings us to the end of our video on preparation and research for panel discussions. Remember, the key to succeeding in any discussion or debate is thorough preparation and practice. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck in your upcoming panel discussions. Happy learning!